Hey y'all, back again. Thanks again for shopping my links. And several of y'all asked, hey, how do I start my charcoal, or how do I add more charcoal without taking the grates off? And that's a great question. So if you look at this right here, what you can find is these little things. You can expand this video's description, click the link there. This is a little hook, and it'll allow you to pick up the cast iron grate. And again, if it's hot, it doesn't matter, because you got this hook, you've got this in your hand, you can pick it up. But as you can see right now, I've got my electric charcoal starter, and I've only got the middle piece of cast iron out. So this other part I just leave in there. It makes it a lot more convenient. How many times have you had a grill grate that you take off, you put it on, in my case I put it over here on my wrought iron table or whatever, and it gets that grill grease on there, and then you sit down, you got a shirt on or some pants on or whatever, and it stains it. So this is value add of that. So I can just gently, put it over here. I can plug in my electric charcoal starter. Try to do it one-handed. There we go. So I got that in there. Let this sit, let this heat up. After it does, I just pull this out, and then boom, I get my little hook, put that on there. I've got a perfect cast iron grilling area. Tell me what you think within the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. And if you're looking for the grill grates like I use, the electric charcoal starter, the grill, expand this video's description, and then click the link there, and you can find where to order it online. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. And if there's anything you'd like for me to try to address within an upcoming video, just ask, and I'll try to film a video. Thanks for your viewership, and good luck grilling. See you later. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.